Yo, what's up everyone? Today I have a video planned to show you a completely unedited repair of a broken zipper. It's this one here. The zipper fell off because of these missing teeth right here. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna put a new one on. So we're gonna speed run. Start by measuring the width of the zipper. This one here is 5 millimeters, meaning that we have a 5B because the zipper is also plastic. So you can go to Clip&Zip.ca, order your slider if you have this type of zipper, but you can check the rest of our channel to figure out what kind. I need to open it, just like that. And then with a jacket, put it on the one side, clip it, it slides, put it at the end, throw it in, make sure it goes over the missing teeth, and you're good to go.